We're going to now move on to the comparison operators. So these are also vectorized just like the arithmetic operators. The result of a comparison operator will always be a true or false value. So let's say we want to determine whether a salary is greater than, say, $80,000 or not. So again, it's just a simple arithmetic operator and then the value you want to compare it to. And this will return a series of Boolean values. So they will all be true or false. You can see here the data type is bool. So very cool. It just applies that comparison to every single value in the series. You can test direct equality. Let's just so we can get at least one true value. We'll do this. So everything will be false except for the salaries that are exactly 82,182. Again, if you want to keep this, and I haven't showed this yet, if you want to keep this result, you'll have to save it to a variable name. So we can just say result equals. So it looks weird like seeing all these equal signs, but what Python is doing first is doing this over here. This creates a new series, and then result is just that Boolean series, that outcome. Salary, again, does not change. We're not reassigning this. None of the values in here are changing. We're just using it to create a new series, a new copy somewhere in your computer's memory, and we have to assign it to another variable name to use it again in the future. All right, so all of the basic comparison, these six comparison operators, they work with regular numbers and they work with Pandas numeric series.